So it's been almost a year since DJI dropped the Neo, and now all signs are pointing to the Neo 2 being right around the corner. We've already spotted it on the FCC, and just recently it popped up on Singapore's IMDA certification list. Shout out to Maro Tandoy, the guy's got eagle eyes. Before we jump in, hit subscribe. It's like swapping in a fresh battery for this channel. Now, about that DJI Neo 2 transceiver listing. What it pretty much means is DJI registered a separate radio device, most likely the remote controller, since Singapore's IMDA, just like the FCC in the US, makes companies register standalone radio gear on its own. Some people wonder if it could be a beacon or RID module, which is possible. But honestly, there's nothing in the paperwork that screams that. It's way more likely just the remote getting its own listing. Moving on to upgrades, battery life is getting a bump. The Neo 2 packs a 1606 mAh battery compared to the original's 1435 mAh. That's about a 12% boost, which could push flight time past 20 minutes, up from the Neo's 18. Not bad for something this small. Speaking of small, the Neo 2 retains the compact, lightweight design of the original Neo, weighing way below the FAA's 250 gram registration threshold. We don't have exact figures, but expect almost the same as original Neo. A notable design change is the inclusion of double-layered propeller guards, a departure from the single-layer guards on the original Neo. This could enhance safety and durability, especially for beginner pilots or indoor flying. While details about the camera are still under wraps, we do know the original DJI Neo packed a 12 megapixel sensor with support for 4K at 30 FPS video, electronic stabilization modes like rock steady and horizon balancing, and 22 gigs of onboard storage. For the Neo 2, there's no concrete evidence yet on changes to resolution or sensor type. However, early rumors point to a possible jump to a 1/1.3 inch CMOS sensor, a big step up from the Neo's smaller half-inch sensor. If true, that upgrade alone could mean a noticeable boost in image quality, but for now, we'll have to wait and see what the next round of leaks brings. The Neo 2 is expected to maintain or enhance features like palm takeoff and landing, AI-powered subject tracking, and quick shot modes, which made the original Neo popular for vloggers and casual users. One last thing, just because it shows up in the FCC database doesn't automatically mean it's guaranteed to hit US shelves. DJI still has to deal with export rules, customs, and regional decisions before deciding where it'll actually sell. More details will drop soon, but until then, peace.